Have you ever noticed that distinct smell that seems to linger around some seniors? Surprisingly, 99% of people are unaware of the cause behind this odor. But fret not, because the solution lies in a simple yet often overlooked spot that just needs proper care. In the following sections, we will delve into the reasons behind this unique scent and how a small change in hygiene habit can make a significant difference. Get ready to uncover the mystery and learn how a little attention to detail can go a long way in maintaining freshness and comfort in the golden years. Stay tuned for the enlightening insights under the following heading. 1. The science behind the scent. 2. Common mistakes in hygiene. 3. Proper care technique. 4. Benefits of regular maintenance. 5. Embracing a fresh perspective. From the dusty depths of neglect to the sparkling heights of freshness, the journey of cleaning one spot can be truly transformative. Imagine the thrill of uncovering a forgotten corner where memories are buried beneath layers of grime and dust. As you scrub away the dirt, a sense of renewal washes over you, breathing new life into the space, just like a caterpillar emerging from its cocoon that once overlooked spot blossoms into a vibrant haven of cleanliness and clarity. Cleaning isn't just about tidying up. It's about rejuvenation and reclaiming a sense of control. It's a small act that can have profound effects on our well-being and mindset. As William Morris famously said, "Have nothing in your houses that you do not know to be useful or believe to be beautiful." By decluttering and cleaning, we not only refresh our surroundings but also uplift our spirit. So why wait? Take that first step today. Clean that one spot that's been nagging at you. Experience the magic of transformation and share your story of freshness with the world. Subscribe, comment below, and spread the joy of a clean start. Have you ever noticed a unique smell lingering around seniors? A scent that tells a story of a lifetime? It's not just a fragrance. It's a hidden treasure trove of memories, experiences, and emotion. Imagine walking into a room filled with that comforting aroma, instantly transporting you to a world of wisdom and nostalgia. Like a fine wine, seniors emit a distinct odor that evolves with age, shaped by their journeys, struggles, and triumph. Each wrinkle, each gray hair carries within it a tale waiting to be discovered. It's a scent that speaks of resilience, love, and the passage of time. Next time you encounter this mysterious fragrance, take a moment to appreciate the beauty behind it. Embrace the essence of life's ups and downs, encapsulated in a simple smell. Let it serve as a reminder to cherish every moment and learn from those who have walked the path before us. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts on this intriguing topic, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content. Let's uncover the hidden gems hidden within the aroma of our beloved seniors together. In a world full of distraction, there's a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered right under our noses. Imagine this, a scent so subtle, so delicate, that 99% of people overlook it every single day. It's like a secret whispered by the flowers, a message carried by the wind, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. Think about all the times you rush through life, missing out on the beauty that surrounds you. But what if I told you that by simply slowing down, taking a deep breath, you could unlock a whole new world of sensation? The power of scent is often underestimated, yet it has the ability to transport us to different times, different places, different emotions. So, are you ready to open your senses to the magic that lies within the overlooked scent? Join the 1% who dares to stop and smell the roses, the ones who truly understand that the nose knows best. Don't let this hidden gem slip away unnoticed. Embrace the world of scents waiting to be explored, and let your sense of smell guide you to new experiences. Subscribe now to embark on this fragrant journey of discovery. Have you ever wondered why Grandma's house has that distinct smell? Let's uncover the hidden truth behind senior odors and the power of proper washing to eliminate them once and for all. Imagine walking into a home filled with love and memory, yet overshadowed by unwanted odor. These scents, often associated with aging, can linger and affect not only the environment, but also one's confidence and well-being. But fear not, for the solution lies in something as simple as proper washing. Just like a gentle breeze clears the air, a good wash can refresh not only clothes but also the spirit. By taking the time to wash with care, using quality products and techniques, we can banish those stubborn odors and restore a sense of freshness and vitality. So, next time you do the laundry, remember the transformative power it holds. Let's wash away the old and welcome the new with open arms. Subscribe for more tips on creating a home filled with warmth and positivity. Together, let's sniff out the secrets to a happier, fresher life. Have you ever wondered about the unique scent that seems to follow seniors around? It's more than just a smell. It's a signature, a story, a part of who they are. Picture this: a grandmother's kitchen filled with the comforting aroma of freshly baked cookies, mingling with the subtle hint of her favorite perfume. That scent, a blend of warmth and memories, becomes her trademark. But as time passes, another scent emerges, one that is less pleasant but equally significant. It's a mix of medication, age, and wisdom, a scent that speaks of a life well lived. Embracing this signature smell means embracing the journey of aging with all its ups and downs. So, next time you catch a whiff of that distinctive aroma, remember, it's not just a smell, it's a story. Share your thoughts on the senior's signature smell in the comments below, and subscribe for more intriguing insight. As we journey through life, we encounter peculiarities that often escape our notice. Have you ever thought about the unique scent that accompanies our senior year? It's a subtle reminder of the passage of time, of stories lived and experiences cherished. Just like a rare perfume, it carries the essence of a lifetime. So next time you catch a whiff, remember the beauty in aging gracefully. Let's unravel more of life's hidden mysteries together. Subscribe to our channel for intriguing insights and engaging content. Let's explore the world with open hearts and curious minds. Remember, the most enchanting tales are often found in the most unexpected places.